Imagine creating hyper-realistic videos without the usual hassles, complex workflows, extensive training, and the need for advanced technical skills. Sounds impossible, right? Many content creators face these challenges, often relying on expensive software or expert technicians, which can slow down production. Frustrating, isn't it? What if you could overcome these obstacles effortlessly? This AI-powered tool simplifies deepfake creation, transforming complex processes into a seamless experience. Whether you need to swap faces in videos, create realistic effects, or experiment with visual storytelling, it delivers stunning results quickly and efficiently. Deepfacelab's most favorable features include advanced face swapping, high-quality video output, and a user-friendly interface making deepfake creation accessible to everyone. Want to know more? Deepfacelab is the game-changer you've been waiting for. It revolutionizes video manipulation, simplifies the process, saves time, and enhances the quality of your projects. Ready to revolutionize your content creation strategy with Deepfacelab? Stay tuned to discover how Deepfacelab is transforming video manipulation. Learn how this AI-powered tool simplifies the process, saves time, and enhances the quality of your visual effects and deepfake projects. Introduction to Deepfacelab. Deepfacelab is an advanced AI-powered tool designed for creating deepfakes, enabling users to manipulate and replace faces in videos with high precision. Leveraging state-of-the-art deep learning techniques, Deepfacelab facilitates the entire process from data collection and pre-processing to model training and video output. This powerful tool helps users overcome challenges like complex workflows, technical barriers, and time-consuming processes. Deepfacelab's comprehensive functionality and user-friendly interface make it accessible to both beginners and professionals, ensuring the creation of realistic and high-quality deepfake videos. By streamlining the deepfake creation process, Deepfacelab empowers users to explore innovative applications in entertainment, research, and beyond. Key features of Deepfacelab. Here are 5 key features of Deepfacelab that enhance the deepfake creation process, efficiency, and quality for various video manipulation needs. 1. Comprehensive data preparation tools. Deepfacelab provides an extensive set of tools for data preparation, including face detection, alignment, and extraction. Users can easily process images and videos to create datasets that are crucial for training accurate deepfake models. This feature ensures that the input data is of high quality, leading to more realistic and convincing results. 2. Advanced model training options. One of Deepfacelab's standout features is its support for multiple deep learning models, such as H128DF, LIEF128, and more. Users can choose the model that best suits their project requirements and hardware capabilities. The tool offers detailed customization options for model training, allowing users to fine-tune parameters to achieve optimal results. 3. Seamless face swapping. Deepfacelab excels in creating seamless face swaps with minimal artifacts. Its advanced algorithms ensure smooth transitions and natural-looking results, making it difficult to distinguish between real and manipulated footage. This feature is particularly valuable for filmmakers and content creators aiming for high-quality visual effects. 4. Real-time previews. Deepfacelab includes tools for real-time previews, allowing users to monitor the progress of their projects and make adjustments on the fly. This feature helps in identifying and correcting issues early in the process, saving time and resources by ensuring the final output meets the desired standards. 5. Robust post-processing capabilities. Deepfacelab offers a suite of post-processing tools to enhance the final video output. Users can apply various filters, adjust color grading, and refine details to achieve a polished and professional look. This versatility makes Deepfacelab an indispensable tool for refining and optimizing deepfake videos. Step-by-step guide to using Deepfacelab. Step 1. Prepare your data. Collect images and videos. Gather a large dataset of images and videos of both the source and target individuals. Face detection and alignment. Use Deepfacelab's built-in tools to detect and align faces in the collected data, ensuring consistency and quality. Step 2. Train the model. Select a model. Choose the appropriate model, EGG H128DF, based on your project needs and hardware capabilities. Configure training parameters. Set the training parameters such as batch size, learning rate, and iteration count. Train the model. Start the training process, monitoring the progress through real-time previews. Step 3. Swap faces. Extract faces. Use Deepfacelab to extract faces from the target video. Apply the train model. Utilize the train model to swap faces in the target video, ensuring smooth and natural transitions. Step 4. Post-process the video. Refine the output. Use post-processing tools to enhance the video, adjusting filters, color grading, and other details. Export the final video. Save the final deepfake video, ready for viewing or further editing. Advantages of using Deepfacelab. Deepfacelab offers user-friendly features and advanced options that enhance creativity, providing users with 5 distinct advantages. 1. User-friendly interface. Deepfacelab boasts an intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it accessible even to beginners. The tool's design facilitates easy navigation and understanding of the deepfake creation process. 2. Comprehensive feature set. Deepfacelab provides a wide range of features, from face extraction to model training and post-processing. This comprehensive toolset ensures that users have everything they need to create high-quality deepfakes in one platform. 3. High-quality output. Deepfacelab is known for producing high-quality and realistic deepfakes. Its advanced algorithms and customization options enable users to achieve professional-grade results. 4. Flexibility and customization. The tool offers extensive customization options, allowing users to fine-tune parameters and select different models based on their project requirements. This flexibility ensures that users can create deepfakes tailored to their specific needs. 5. Active community support. Deepfacelab has an active and supportive community of users and developers. This community provides valuable resources, tutorials, and forums for troubleshooting and improving skills. 5 uses of Deepfacelab. 1. Entertainment and film industry. Deepfacelab is extensively used in the entertainment industry for creating realistic visual effects, character replacements, and de-aging actors in movies and TV shows. It allows filmmakers to achieve seamless face swaps and enhance storytelling with advanced visual effects. 2. Research and education. Researchers use Deepfacelab to study deep learning algorithms, face recognition technologies, and the ethical implications of deepfake technology. It serves as a valuable tool for educational purposes, helping students and researchers understand and experiment with AI and deep learning concepts. 3. Social media and content creation. Content creators on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok leverage Deepfacelab to produce engaging and creative videos. Whether it's for humor, satire, or storytelling, deepfakes created with Deepfacelab add a unique and entertaining element to social media content. 4. Historical and archival projects. Deepfacelab can be used to create realistic representations of historical figures, enabling historians and educators to bring history to life. This technology helps in visualizing historical events and creating educational content that is both informative and engaging. 5. Advertising and marketing. Marketers use Deepfacelab to create personalized and attention-grabbing advertisements. By incorporating realistic face swaps, brands can create unique and memorable ad campaigns that resonate with their target audience. Here are 3 potential disadvantages of Deepfacelab. 1. High computational requirements. Deepfacelab requires powerful hardware such as high-end GPUs for efficient model training and processing. This can be a barrier for users with limited resources. 2. Steep learning curve. Despite its user-friendly interface, Deepfacelab has a steep learning curve, especially for beginners unfamiliar with deep learning and video editing concepts. Users may need to invest time in learning and experimenting to achieve desired results. 3. Ethical and legal concerns. The creation and distribution of deepfakes can raise ethical and legal issues, particularly regarding consent and potential misuse. Users must be aware of the implications and use the tool responsibly. Conclusion: Deepfacelab is a versatile and powerful tool that significantly enhances the deepfake creation process. Known for its ability to produce high-quality face swaps and realistic video manipulations, it has become an invaluable asset for filmmakers, researchers, and content creators. The software's sophisticated algorithms enable seamless and believable results, making it a top choice for creating convincing deepfakes. Its comprehensive feature set, including advanced customization options, allows users to fine-tune their projects to perfection. Additionally, the user-friendly interface ensures that both beginners and experienced users can navigate the software with ease. Deepfacelab's capability to deliver detailed and lifelike deepfakes opens up numerous possibilities in various fields, from entertainment and research to digital content production and beyond. Its efficiency and effectiveness in deepfake creation have solidified its position as a leading tool in the industry, continually pushing the boundaries of what is possible in video manipulation and face-swapping technology. Interesting fact: Deepfacelab, used to create over 95% of deepfake videos online, is renowned for its comprehensive features and active community, making it a leading tool in the field. And that's a wrap, folks. I hope you enjoyed exploring the fascinating world of Deepfacelab with me. But guess what? The adventure doesn't end here. Stay tuned for more captivating insights by subscribing to my channel. Let's keep the magic alive, explore endless possibilities, and make the impossible possible together.